Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Got a good one for you. Just did a quick tune-up on my dirt bike here. It's a 2012 CRF250R. It's got a few hours on it. She runs great. Put a new plug in it, cleaned the air filter, washed it out, and re-oiled it. Checked the tire pressure, looked it over for loose bolts. You know, just the regular maintenance that you kind of want to do before you get on the bike. Yeah, it's fun to ride. I'm gonna take it over to my buddy's track, and I thought I would take you guys along for a couple laps. So I'm gonna get loaded up and we'll get on the track and see what this thing can do. Okay, I got my gear on. Let's go spin a few laps. I'm gonna take it easy, do a sight lap first. It rained last night, so I wanna see where all the water spots are. And of course, we'll just take it easy and be safe and have fun. So let's get to it. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick couple laps and test out the bike, and the track looked great. Pretty sketchy. Gotta be careful out there. A lot of rocks, and that makes for bad traction. So I just took it easy, but I was gonna do a sight lap, but I know the track pretty good, so I just let her rip. But yeah, I had a blast, 6 laps. Unfortunately, I forgot my kidney belt, and I like to be all wrapped up when I ride just to make sure my back doesn't get, you know, tweaked or whatever. And riding is very hard on your back. So just want to make the video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked the content. Leave a comment, share, and please subscribe. It'll help me grow my channel. I totally appreciate you watching. You guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next video.